Jackson swimming on Remy's back. Taking a ride on Remy.
Good job. Good job. So silly. Good job. Oh, you giving him kisses, Remy? Oh, he's trying to pat you. He's trying to pat you. You whacking your tail underwater. Woo! Look at the Buddha belly.
Yeah, I got a big Buddha belly.
Cute Buddha. Woo!
And we're rocking out to some band in the background. I have no idea who it is.
Remy. No kisses on the mouth. You smell milk, probably. Spit up milk. Whee!
Are we gonna kick? Are we gonna kick?
You kick? Kicky, kicky. And now I'm trying to float. He's kicking a little bit. Kicky, kicky. Are you floating? Uh-huh. He's working his legs.
He's looking at the camera.
What's Daddy doing? Truffle shuffle! Truffle shuffle!
He's happy.
He likes the water.
Yeah. Next year we'll be water skiing.
We'll throw you in a tube.
Yeah, let's throw you back in a tube.
Whee! Look!
He's just looking at me. At the camera, he's like, what in the world is that thing?
Super baby! Yeah! Oh, pick your head up.
What'd he do?
Tummy toot.
Did he make some extra bubbles?
He did. He's a tummy tooter. I put him on his tummy and he tooted. Tummy tooter.
Good job, little man.
Tooter.
Good job, little man.
Tummy tooter. That feel good? Did that feel good? Work it out.